Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So, of course, I've got the gestures applied right now, but first of all, I will lead you to the proper section and then show you how to set the gestures and how to use them. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on System Navigation at the top, and as you can see here, we've got the gestures and the 3-button navigation. So let's pretend I've got the 3-button navigation. Before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to more settings, because here you can kind of customize the 3-button navigation, so you can reorder the back button and the recent or activate voice assistant, totally up to you. So to set the gestures, just tap on the gesture navigation at the top, and as you can see, the 3 buttons will immediately disappear, which means that we've got the gestures set. If you'd like to, you can go through the gesture tutorial, so you can learn on your own how to use the gestures, or you can enter more settings to customize the back sensitivity and voice assistant. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option, so the back sensitivity, after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can see this arrow, so now you can release the finger and you just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, something like that. And if you'd like to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recent. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.